how to withdraw your profits from public.com. In order to withdraw profits from public.com, you first of all need to open your public.com account. You could use a browser or an app as well. Once you go to public.com, this is going to take you to the official page. So here, you just want to make sure to go ahead and sign into your account. So after you're logged into your account, what you want to do is you simply want to make sure to go ahead and select withdraw or tap the menu bar from the top right hand side corner of the screen. So once you're logged in, you want to tap the menu icon in the top left corner or just go to your cash account. After which you want to select withdraw. Underneath, you should be able to locate or connect a bank account, and there you just have to add in the desired amount to withdraw. As you've done that, you want to make sure to review and confirm the transactions. Follow the on-screen prompt, and that is how you're supposed to withdraw your profits from public.com. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.